Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create advanced animation in Elementor. Adding motion effects to your website, elements can really bring your pages to life and create a more engaging experience for your visitors. Let's walk through how to set this up step by step. First, you'll need to go to your WordPress website dashboard and log in with your credentials. Once you're inside the dashboard, look over to the left sidebar where you'll see all your main navigation options. Click on Pages, then select All Pages from the menu that appears. This will show you a list of all the pages on your website. Now find the page where you want to add advanced animation and click Edit with Elementor next to it. This opens up the Elementor editor interface, which is where all the magic happens. The beauty of Elementor is that it gives you a visual drag and drop way to design your pages without touching any code. Next, you need to select the specific element you want to animate. This could be a text block, an image, a video, or even an entire section of your page. Simply click on the element in the Elementor editor to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see the blue outline appear around it. Once your element is selected, look over to the left panel where all the editing options live. You'll see several tabs at the top, and you need to click on the Advanced tab. This is where the more powerful customization options are hidden. Scroll down through the advanced settings until you find a section called Motion Effects. Click on it to expand that section. Here's where you'll discover the animation options that let you add scrolling effects, mouse tracking, entrance animations, and other dynamic movements to your elements. However, if you're using the free version of Elementor, you'll notice that these motion effects features are locked. To unlock and use these advanced animation capabilities, you'll need to upgrade to Elementor Pro. The Pro version gives you full access to motion effects and many other premium features that can transform your website design. So in just a few clicks, you've learned exactly where to find and enable advanced animations in Elementor. While the feature requires a pro upgrade, knowing how to navigate to it means you're ready to create stunning animated effects as soon as you decide to unlock that capability. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.